Good morning, one and all present over here. Unemployment. Let's see the meaning of the unemployment. Definition of the unemployment: one, who is adult, whose age is 15 to 60 years, who is ready to work at the prevalent market rate of wages, has energy and the qualification to work, who is in search of work but is not getting the work, that is called as unemployed, and such a situation is called as unemployment. एक बंदा है, कोई भी 15 से 60 इयर्स के, कोई भी यंग, कैपेबल, क्वालिफाइड पीपल जो प्रिवेलिंग मार्केट, जो प्रवर्तमान मार्केट रेट है वो रेट पे काम करने के लिए रेडी है, बट दे आर नॉट गेटिंग जॉब, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, बेरोजगारी. Here we are not including those people who are lazy, who are sick, who are weak, who are handicapped and the housewife. इन लोगों को हम इंक्लूड नहीं करते, लेकिन जो रियल में वर्क करना चाहते हैं, उनको काम करना है, जो भी मार्केट प्राइस मिलेगी उस मार्केट प्राइस पे भी उनको काम करने के लिए रेडी है, कैपेबल है, क्वालिफाइड है, लेकिन उनके पास जॉब नहीं है. In India especially, 6 types of unemployment prevailing. Number 1, that is a seasonal unemployment. Unemployment generates during the time of on the basis of the seasons. Season wise unemployment will created, that is a seasonal unemployment. For example, during the rainy season or the season of the farming, it's up to for the 4 months only, 4 months or 6 months. ये समय तक the farmers will be employed in their farm, okay, and rest of the year they will be unemployed. That is called as a seasonal unemployed. जो seasonal businesses करते हैं, season के according चलने वाला, तो वो season के time में ही employed रहते हैं. Out of season या off season में they remains unemployed. So such type of the unemployment, that is called as a seasonal unemployment. Frictional unemployment. Friction. Machineries get the frictions, and due to that frictions, machinery need to repair and change. So change in the machineries and the repairing of the machineries lead the unemployment. मशीन को रिपेयर करने में या मशीन में कोई चेंजेस लाने के लिए वो समय, the particular period of time, the people remains unemployed. That is called as a frictional unemployment. स्ट्रक्चरल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, ये इंडिया में ज़्यादा देखने को मिलता है. स्ट्रक्चरल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट, लोगों की मान्यता, ऑर्थोडॉक्सी, कस्टम्स, इलिटरेसी और लोगों की सोच, that is why the thoughts of the people make them unemployed. For example, कोई एक काम मिल रहा है लेकिन वो थोड़ा लोअर क्वालिटी का काम है, रास्ते साफ करना या कचरा झाड़ू पोछा करना, वो काम मिल रहा है, बट बिकॉज ऑफ द सोशल स्टेटस दे विल थिंक मैं ऐसा थोड़ी काम करूँगा, ये काम मेरे लायक थोड़ी है. एंड सच टाइप ऑफ द अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रिवेलिंग इन टू द इंडिया हाई. ऐसी अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट जो है, इसकी बदौलत, ये सोच की बदौलत, ये ऑर्थोडॉक्सिटी की वजह से जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट है, रूढ़ि चुस्तता, मान्यता और स्टेटस दिखावे के लिए जो अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट होती है वो इंडिया में ज़्यादा देखने को मिलती है. लेकिन ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि रईस की माँ ने बोला था कि कोई भी काम छोटा नहीं होता. You might have seen the movie Rais, and in that the dialogue has been told by his mother that no work is inferior. कोई भी काम छोटा, लेकिन ये समझ में लोगों को समझ में नहीं आता है. यहाँ पे आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू एन एग्जांपल ऑफ अमेरिका. अमेरिकन स्वीपर्स जो होते हैं वो अपनी BMW कार में आके अपनी कार को रास्ते में पार्क करते हैं, रास्ता उनको जितना टारगेट दिया हुआ होता है उतना रास्ता साफ करते हैं, वापस से क्लीन करके वो अपनी कार लेकर चले जाते हैं. दैट इज़ द रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीज़न. उनको हम रिस्पॉन्सिबल सिटीज़न बोलते हैं. लेकिन इंडिया में ये सबसे ज़्यादा देखने को मिलती है स्ट्रक्चरल अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। देन द डिस्गाइज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट। डिस्गाइज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट यानी कि छुपी बेरोजगारी। छुपी बेरोजगारी यानी कि क्या? फॉर दैट आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू एन एग्जाम्पल दैट सपोज इन अ patch of land the 10 people are required and the crop production is enough for the 10 people and only the 10 people are required in the farm to do the work, but instead of 10 the 20 people are working in the same farm. So the extra, if you will remove those extra 10, then also the production may not get any difference or any changes. Such type of the unemployment is called as a disguised unemployment, कि जिनकी ज़रूरत नहीं है, आवश्यकता नहीं है, फिर भी वहाँ पे वो लोग काम कर रहे हैं। ऐसी बेरोज़गारी जो है इनको छिपी बेरोज़गारी और डिस्गाइज अनएम्प्लॉयमेंट बोला जाता है। Industrial unemployment means industry remains closed for a short period of time, for a long period of time, maybe because of the technological change, maybe the updatation of the company, or maybe any other legal issues, social political issues. The factory remains closed, so that particular period of time, during those closing time, the people remains unemployed. That is called as industrial unemployment. See, the best example is lockdown. During the lockdown or during the 4 or a 5 month period of time, the people remains unemployed. That is a industrial or basically वो epidemic unemployment है because of the epidemic. But you can compare or you can join the word with the industrial unemployment because industries बंद थी तो इसलिए लोगों के पास कोई काम नहीं था। Educational unemployed, the person who have a degree, so at least secondary degree or the higher degree, then also the person remains unemployed. That is called as a educational unemployed, और ऐसे educational unemployed भारत में ज़्यादा है। देखते हैं स्टैटिस्टिक हमें क्या बोलता है। व्हाट इज द स्टैटिस्टिक? अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्वे पर 1000 पीपल में, गुजरात में स्पेशली पर 1000 पीपल में 12 पीपल रिमेन्स अनएम्प्लॉयड, और एज इंडिया में पर 1000 पीपल 54 पर 1000 पर्सन 54 पीपल रिमेन्स अनएम्प्लॉयड। और एक स्टैटिस्टिकल डेटा ये भी है, अकॉर्डिंग टू द सर्वे लेबर ब्यूरो अकॉर्डिंग टू द सेंसस 2011 116 million people were in search of employment, 32 million people were uneducated. Out of 116, 32 million people were uneducated. Rest of the people were educated, unemployed. यानी आप देख सकते हो कि भाई जो educated people है वो ज़्यादा unemployed रहते हैं। Okay. According to the survey of the Labour Bureau 2013 and 14, the rate of unemployment in India was observed to be the 5.4%, and in Gujarat, per 1000 people, 12% were unemployed. In the urban area, per 1000 people, 34 were unemployed, or in rural area per 1000 people 16 were unemployed. So ये भी हम एक मार्क कर सकते हैं कि भाई अर्बन एरिया में ज़्यादा अनएम्प्लॉयड होते हैं rather than the rural area. Various factors and various reasons are there. Basically देखा जाए तो जिनका यूथ पावरफुल होता है वो कंट्री ऑलवेज पावरफुल होते हैं, लेकिन इंडिया में देखिए ऐसा नहीं है। इंडिया में 66% यूथ इज़ देयर। टोटल वर्ल्ड का जो यूथ है उसमें से 66% यूथ यंग जनरेशन इज़ देयर इन इंडिया। देन ऑल्सो इंडिया इज़ परफॉर्मिंग badly, the India is performing not efficiently. The efforts has been given to reduce unemployment. Total there are nine efforts are there for the reducing the unemployment. Let's we see one by one them. To generally their main aim, the aim of the government is providing the employment to the people by various means and the various measures, by providing the improvement and the technological changes and financial help to the farmers at the village level, so the farming can also develop or improve the employment. By providing help for the small cottage industries, household industries, handicraft industries, so people remains employed there throughout the year. Even the government has also started the various program and training and the vocational courses, so that those people would not have any other alternative skill, they can also develop the other alternative skill and they remains employed throughout the year. Even the government has also started the construction work of the dairy, cold storage, the water tank, school, Indira Awas Yojana, so that the people remains employed in the this construction work में भी लोग जो है वो एम्प्लॉयड रहे, इसलिए गवर्नमेंट जो है डिफरेंट जगह पे कंस्ट्रक्शन वर्क जो है थ्रू आउट काम करते ही रहते हैं. The government has also started providing the training like ITI in such a vocational courses that is called as an Industrial Training Institute, where the people get education in a such a way so that they directly start their own shop, on garage, on electrical shop, so that they become self-employed. सीधा ही वो सेल्फ एम्प्लॉयड हो जाए, ऐसी गवर्नमेंट ने ट्राई किए कि ऐसे कोर्सेज बनाए ताकि वो सीधे एम्प्लॉयड ही हो जाए. Government has also started a new program that is the Make in India, Digital India, Skill India and Startup India. Under this, government is providing the financial help, government is providing the training, government is generating such experts so that they can start their own businesses, they can become an entrepreneur and they can become the self-employed. If you will read all the points are very easy to be understand easily. Okay, this is one of the most important point, that is the employment exchange centers. Employment exchange centers have been started throughout the country. Okay, and their main aim is to provide the employment. Here you need to register your name. If you are in search of job, you need to register your name and the biodata and the qualification. So you will get either post or you will get postcard. You will get either postcard or you will get either messages from these offices regarding your qualification job. That is the employment exchange program. And रोजगार कारकिर्दी is one of the kind of the magazine जिसमें इस्तिया निकलता है सभी जॉब्स के लिए, वैकेंसीज के लिए. Okay. Till 2015 there were 947 employment exchange center in the country. Okay, and in the 2013 468 lakh unemployed people have registered their detail, and गुजरात में देखा जाए तो 8.30 lakh unemployed had registered for achieving job for the employment. Okay, so government is doing their best to provide employment in the country. Even government has also allowed FDI, that is foreign direct investment. Foreign companies are coming to the India, set upping their plan, and they will employ the Indian people. तो ऐसे भी गवर्नमेंट का मेन तात्पर्य जो है वो एम्प्लॉयमेंट प्रोवाइड करने का है. This is the last point of the chapter, that is called as a world labor market. World labor market को समझने के लिए you must understand the definition first. What is a world labor market? When the change of labors the labors is there among the nations of the world, that is called as a world labor market. Changes of labors means labors are migrating from one place to another place for the betterment, for achieving a job, good amount of money and the good salary perk, and even they are migrating for achieving the higher education, higher degree training and the better standard of life. Here I would like to say those laborers who are experts, they are migrating from one country to the another country. It is called as a brain drain. Brain drain. The meaning of the brain drain is that important minds, very cultivating minds are migrating from one place to another place.